Hello friends and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making an old classic, old school baked macaroni and cheese. This is adapted from Chef John's famous recipe. It's rich, creamy, and topped with a perfect golden crunchy crust. Made with a smooth cheddar sauce, Dijon spices, and buttery panko. This dish is guaranteed to be your new favorite comfort food. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through making a roux, building the perfect cheese sauce, seasoning it properly, and baking it until beautifully crispy. Okay, first we're gonna preheat our oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Then we're gonna bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and add the macaroni and cook until just al dente. Then drain well. In a large saucepan, we're gonna melt 1/4 cup of butter until foamy. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of flour. Remember, when you're making a roux, it's always equal parts flour to fat. Then we're going to cook that for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring until it's a pale golden color. Then we're going to add the spices, the thyme, the cayenne, and the white pepper, and cook that for 1 minute. Then we're going to stir in 1 cup of milk and stir until smooth. Then we're going to add the remaining milk, bring it to a gentle simmer, add the nutmeg, Worcestershire, and the salt. Simmer on medium-low, whisking often for about 8 minutes until thickened. Now we're going to remove it from the heat and add 2 1/4 cups of the cheddar cheese and just keep stirring until it's all melted. Then we're gonna finish it off with Dijon mustard. Then we're gonna add the macaroni to our casserole dish. Then we're gonna add the cheese mixture and stir until well combined. Next, we're gonna mix our panko breadcrumbs with melted butter in a small bowl. Then we're gonna sprinkle the breadcrumb mixture over the top of the mac and cheese in an even layer. Then we're going to place it in our 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And remove it from the oven when the top is nice and golden brown. And there you have it, mac and cheese. All the ingredient amounts will be in the description box below, as well as the link to Chef John's original recipe. Sometimes I make a huge batch, put it in these tin-foil containers, stick it in the freezer. Then when I want to have mac and cheese, I take it out of the freezer, remove the cardboard lid, cover it with tin foil, put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour or until the temperature gets above 145. Another variation I like is to cook up some bacon, chop it all up and stir that in at the same time as the cheese sauce. And sometimes when serving, I will sprinkle some chives on the top. Back in the summer, I had an abundance of cherry tomatoes, so I put some of those on top and baked it up, and it was very good. Another thing I've done before is put some jalapeno rings on top, so you can pretty much put anything you like on this and enjoy. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.